Emergency update video, guys, because Bitcoin is currently breaking down of this pattern we've been trading in for almost a month right now. So this is massive news. And of course, in my last video I actually told you guys that if we broke down of this pattern, then we could see really low prices again. We haven't seen in basically over 2 months right now. So this is going to be massive because the $25,000 area could just be tapped within the next few days. I will tell you guys exactly what you need to know because this is major news. So what is currently happening? Well, first of all, we can see that we're currently trading out of this pattern. We're basically confirming a break under this pattern. The only thing we now have to wait for is a daily candle close actually under this pattern, of course, sorry, not above, under this pattern. And if this actually closes like this, that's going to be really bad for Bitcoin because this will basically indicate a breakdown, which also means that we have here our head and shoulders pattern with a target all the way back down at 25k. If we do decide to break down to 25k, that's going to be massive because we haven't seen those prices in a pretty long time right now, and this will be the biggest drop we had in this entire Bitcoin rally. Because if we actually look at this rally we have had around here, we can see them from this peak we only went down about 19%, and if we look at this peak to around here, we can see that is more than 20%. So not a lot of difference, but still the biggest dump we will see. And I will tell you guys exactly what I will be doing once we touch 25k, because we're definitely going to touch 25k in the next few days if this daily candle closes like this, because this is just really bad for Bitcoin. So yeah, what I'm currently going to do for Bitcoin, if we hit 25k, I will actually make a really big trade. More on that in about 1 minute. I will just show you guys one more thing about the dollar, because we can also see that the dollar is extremely strong. We have now been supporting on this support line right here for 5 touches right now, for basically 2 months right now. We can see that we're getting this massive pump to the upside, and everyone knows that if the dollar pumps, Bitcoin and the normal markets go down. So this is really bad, of course, for the normal markets and for Bitcoin. And we can also see that if we actually look at the S&P, for example, we can see that also the S&P is now making a head and shoulders pattern, which I also showed you guys on my last video. So yeah, everything I predicted is currently happening, so that's really cool to see. However, those prices, 25k, is going to be a massive opportunity for some trades. So yeah, this could definitely happen for the S&P, and this will be an actual pretty big dump, which could bring Bitcoin, of course, with it, which means 25k is really likely at the moment. So what trade am I going to place here? Here once we touch 25k. Well, 25k, we all know that 25k is now the next big support level, and this is a massive support level. This support level has been created all the way back in August of 2022, so this is also a really old support level, which means it's even stronger. We got 2 massive touches right here on the daily time frame, of course. So yeah, if we touch 25k, that will possibly be our local bottom. So why is this? Well, we saw this massive rally to the upside, and then this small dump down, of course. Then we saw another crazy pump. Well, everyone here thought that Bitcoin was going lower, and it didn't, because most of the time Bitcoin does the exact opposite of what most people think. So what's currently going to happen? We're going to dump back down to 25k. Everyone is going to call for lower. However, we're just doing the same thing we have already experienced, and we're most likely going to bounce back to a target of about 35k. So what I'm going to do is I will just simply open a long position right here. It's going to be a massive longing opportunity. So yeah, just your stop loss just under this support level, of course, and a target all the way at 35k, and we can see a risk reward ratio of 6.3, which is massive, of course. So yeah, this is going to be my next trade, my next big trade, of course. Of course, I'm also scalping, but this is going to be my next big trade where I will be putting a lot of margin into. So if you want to trade with me, then what you want to do is you want to just go to one of my videos or the link in the description, and all you want to do then is you want to sign up for a Bybit account using my link. Because if you sign up for a Bybit account, you can trade with me. You can follow my trades exactly I'm taking, plus you get $30,000 in deposit bonuses, so it's a win-win. So yeah, this is basically what I'm going to do. It was an emergency video because this is happening in real time, and here on the 1 hour chart we can clearly see that Bitcoin is dumping like crazy. So yeah, that being said, I will update you guys if anything really important happens, of course, here over on my YouTube channel or over on my Telegram channel. So make sure to also join my Telegram channel and sign up for a Bybit account if you haven't already, using the link in the description. All links are in the description. That being said, I hope I'll see you in my next emergency video or just in my next YouTube video.